Okay, we're back, and just a few days later, just as I predicted, we are back. Remember, these are the call options. Usually, the calls do not take as long as the puts because the market usually goes better on the flip side, on the upside. And like I said, these are only Google trading because it's the only market I like doing as far as equities is concerned. My major usual is trading bond futures, but anyways, as you can see, I at the 10.95, I paid 135 for it. Very cheap, very cheap price, especially for Google. I usually wouldn't do that, but look where it's at now. It's at 920. That's not a bad trade at all for a couple days. And the 1072.5, I had paid 409, and now it's worth 2160. And the 1067.5, I had paid 530, and now it's worth 24.90. And actually, I had closed it out on its peak at 20, barely under 25. Not bad at all. And once you start buying these by the contracts, and it starts adding up. Now, keep in mind, not everybody's gonna feel comfortable buying, like this. But there is definitely a flip side that most people don't know or realize they can do is if you're not really sure, you're not really, confident yet, you can also go straddle. And if you go straddles work great as long as the market moves and it moves far enough. And when it does that, you can almost just buy blindly at any time. And you will be given almost about 99.9% chance of profit on your side. I mean, it's wonderful. And this is one of the perfect examples, the opportunity you have with the market going the way it is because we have low interest rates. So that's why I'm taking advantage of Google right now, because once the rates go up, it's not going to be as effective. But this is a clear example, the things that you can do. And this is one of my favorites. And so, like, what I'm offering is basically, my triggers, when to buy, when to sell, if you want to get in. I mean, this pays for itself when a couple days, not always, of course, could take a couple weeks. Sometimes it might take 2 weeks at the most, but it's usually because sometimes there might be a side market for a little bit, but then it always breaks out. And when it has a breakout, it always goes up really nicely, at least 40, 50 points. And of course, the more you buy in the money, the more money you're going to make. I mean, it's not uncommon to make $10,000 per contract. I'm serious. I mean, I've had days like that. I mean, it blows your mind. You invest about 5,000, buy as many contracts as you can, and usually with that, you'd probably buy about 5 to 6, anywhere from 4 to 5 to 6, make 10,000 a piece, and there you go. I mean, it's not uncommon. It is able to happen, and it doesn't matter because you're gonna make a lot of money in this. So this is just another example, and I'll keep posting these. And you'll see my contact if you're interested in my service, which is basically my triggers, my advisory to let you know when to buy and sell. I'd be more than happy to help you.